Okay, so you guys may not see me with this horrible lighting, but right now I am at the beach, at the lake, and I'm not gonna be swimming because I'm on my period. So I'm just sitting here, just chilling. So, yeah. Okay, can I just talk about seagulls? Because, yeah, I've been surrounded by them for a little bit, and I'm pretty much a coward because I'm pretty scared that they'll attack me. And also, they make really funny noises, like their squeal sounds like a little kid's scream. Like, anyways, yeah, it's so funny, but it's scary at the same time. So, yeah, just wanted to say that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go test the lake to see how cold it is because I've heard that the lake was pretty cold, so I'm gonna. So I just put my feet in the water. It's pretty cold, but it's not that bad. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you the shot of the lake without putting people's faces in this vlog, so yes. Look at the lake. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what happened because you guys did not know what I was saying because I was quiet at the beginning. But basically, we went to the beach. I was sitting reading for a bit, and I didn't swim because I was on my period. So, yeah, but that's fine. At least I got to sit and read, right? But at the beginning of that, I was surrounded by seagulls, and some of them looked like they were about to approach me. And I was scared the heck of my life, that I was gonna get attacked. But I didn't. But I don't have the footage of it. I'm sorry, but yeah, I've tested the water, and yeah. The kids were playing ping pong in there, but anyways, yeah, I was reading, and I've been reading The Edge of Light by Elizabeth George. I didn't understand the plot a bit. There is one piece of plot that I do understand, but a lot of it is really confusing, so I have to reread it. But anyways, yeah, the beach is fun, except for the fact that I was being such a coward over seagulls because I thought that they were going to attack me, and I was so close to them. So, you know what? Yeah. So yeah, that's my day. Got heck of sunburn on my arms, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Fun at the beach. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and leave your requests in the comments below, and make sure you see more of my vlogs for this week. Well, stay tuned for more of my vlogs for this week. And subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to stay happy, stay safe, and stay cool. And I am off to the moon, and I will be back soon.